My name is Alex Yuksenko. I'm a summer intern here at the NIH. I'm in the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. I'm working in the bioinformatics department. Currently, there's so much data out there, it's impossible for humans to analyze it themselves, so we're creating tools through bioinformatics to help process this data. So I see this as a field with a large amount of potential, so I'm pursuing it to help solve mysteries that could impact millions of lives. So the brain is the current frontier of science. It's the most important organ, but we know the least about it. And it also causes so many diseases. But since we don't know a lot about the brain, we're unable to help people with these diseases. So currently there's no 3D model of the brain to the cellular level of any organism. By just looking at a 2D slide, you'd be able to see cells, but you couldn't really see how they connect as a whole. So with the 3D model, you'll be able to see how neurons are connected to each other throughout the brain. So there's millions of 2D slides of brain electron microscope data, and they need to be traced to create 3D images. However, computer algorithms are unable to do this at a efficient level, so we need humans to trace 2D images. My goal is to create a fun and engaging website where the general public can trace a single neuron through a stack of 2D images and create a 3D model of that neuron, and then that neuron will be aligned in the brain with all the other neurons that get mapped, and this would allow us to compare healthy brains to damaged brains and see the causes behind diseases. So, the website is meant to be engaging and fun, so users can level up, get points, get virtual currency, and rank up on leaderboards. You can get cool features on your account with your virtual currency. So I really like this social aspect here. I eat lunch with interns both from my lab and other labs. We talk about the type of research we do. Some of them are completely in the clinical side, while others are completely doing wet lab. So comparing our experiences here and talking about science as a whole is always fun. The environment is just super friendly, and everyone's willing to talk to you. Even if someone is the director of a department, he's still down to earth and willing to have a friendly conversation. Every day I'm presented with new challenges, and every day I'm collaborating with my coworkers on how to solve these challenges in new and creative ways. So occasionally there's an issue or bug that is just really hard to figure out. I work on it for several hours. I'm unable to find an answer. I ask my mentor is not sure about it, and then we work together and spend time and eventually do find a solution, and it's one of the most rewarding things about this internship.